famous tipster OnLeaks, in collaboration with 91 Mobiles, has leaked the specifications of the much awaited OnePlus Nord 2, like way ahead of the phone's official announcement. Here's the news. Guys, a lot of you who watch our videos are still not subscribed to the channel, so press that red subscribe button, hit the bell icon and make our day. Now let's get started. My goodness, the Nord CE 5G has just launched. It's not even in the hands of the public, and leaks about the Nord 2 has already started popping. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so the biggest change in the OnePlus Nord 2 will be the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, which is said to be succeeding the Snapdragon 765G of the original OnePlus Nord. If we talk raw numbers based on the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset versus the Snapdragon 765G chipset, then we are clearly looking at a solid 2x performance boost in the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the original OnePlus Nord. The display on the OnePlus Nord 2 is said to be the same 90Hz 6.43-inch AMOLED panel, just like the original Nord, but I really wish OnePlus instead opts for a 120Hz panel. Now that's going to be an upgrade. What do you guys think? Do you want to see a 120Hz AMOLED display on the OnePlus Nord 2, or do you think a 90Hz AMOLED display is just fine considering all the other upgrades? Let me know in the comments. Moving on, the OnePlus Nord 2 is set to be available in two variants, that is 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage and 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of onboard storage. Although I won't rule out the possibility of a 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant, just like the original OnePlus Nord. And as for the cameras, 3 rear lenses are being speculated on the OnePlus Nord 2 versus 4 lenses on the original OnePlus Nord. So the main camera could be the 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor that's also found on the OnePlus 9 Pro. And this setup should most probably be accompanied with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro or a depth sensor. The front camera is set to be a 32 megapixel shooter, just like the original Nord. Finally, we'll get to see a bump in the battery as well, from about 4100 mAh on the original OnePlus Nord to 4500 mAh on the OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 is being speculated to drop this July, which is next month. And as for the price, well, that's rumored to be around 2000 Chinese yuan for the 8GB RAM variant, that is the base variant. And this is roughly about 22,900 rupees. So considering the 8GB RAM version of the original OnePlus Nord costs 28,000 rupees right now, I don't know, maybe OnePlus decides to go all in and price the 8GB RAM version of the OnePlus Nord 2 for about 30,000 rupees. Only time will tell. And that's all for all the leaks and rumors surrounding the OnePlus Nord 2. Hit the like button if you loved what you saw, and definitely share this video with others. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.